Hello everyone, check this out. This is a titanium screwdriver uh, by Fanawi, model PW01. This is a titanium screwdriver and it's coming with these 10 bits that you can keep here to hold to this side, one here, so the half of these bits you can hold them here. There is a magnetic here, you can add 2 bits here and 2 more here. Yeah, 4 bits plus the one is here, so very handy. Titanium. Yeah, it's the size. Let me check size without the bit is, let's check, is 80 millimeters. And this is almost 13 millimeters by 17. So yeah, let's check out the weight. I'm using the scale here. Let's check without bits. Well, let's check with bits now that there are here. Let's put the 5 of them. Is gosh, okay. Is 75 grams. If I take out the bits, let me see without bits. Almost 50 grams, 49 grams, 0.1 pounds, 1.69 ounces. Yeah, so, and has also here, you can here, or you can put it also here. Here has also magnet, so you need more torque, you can use this side. And also, what you could do to make it more awesome, you can add you can put a cord here in this part. So now you can put it in your pouch. For example, let's put it in here. Yeah, it's here perfect in this biparade. Yeah, you can put it here. And also you can use the Steinwell bits, the double-ended, smaller, and actually they fit. You can even, instead of have 2, 4, 5, you can make double-ended smaller, and now you can have actually these ones. This one works well here, yeah, and also here. Yeah, well, not too good, probably some of them will be fine. Yeah, this one not really too good. Yeah, no, this one not, definitely not. Needs to be only here. But well, that's, I guess, anyway. Maybe some of them can be here, but this one specific, no. Dayton is not too deep, but you can use it here with no problem. So you want to use this one, probably you could have your this holder. Just this is titanium too, but does not have a magnet. You see here is titanium, but the titanium is not magnetic, so it has a magnet in this side, so it holds very well these ones. But the problem here, it won't hold well, a little bit only. Well, just when you put the, no, not really very well, but yeah, no. Oh, well, here it works well. If you don't need too much torque, well, you can put it these ones, and this one fits, let me see how many, I guess 3. 1, 2. Yeah, they fit 3. They don't fall, yeah, they stay there. So now you have 6, 2, 4, 6, and another 6, 3 more here, doubled, another 6, will be 12 in total, in a very small compact size, titanium. Yeah, it's not too bad for a everyday carry. Yeah, or your EDC. Yeah, look, they stay there because it has a magnet here. You see the magnet is here. Yeah. So that holds perfect. So you almost get all your bits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can add one more here. Yeah. So, and still now you have 14 bits in a very compact size, titanium, very handy. You can also carry one of holder in order to have now here. Yeah. If you want to use this, take advantage of this angle to make a good torque, then you can just carry a bit holder. This one, for example, is magnetic. Yeah, it's not bad. And with these 14 bits now, because are double, let's see how much they weight. 2.5 ounce, let's check grams. 71 grams. Yep, I guess not too bad. Okay guys, well, hope so this works for your EDC, to have it in your pocket, your backpack, or your pouch. Titanium, you can carry normal bits or these ones. I guess we had double-ended bits. They don't fit here or here. There are, I don't think so. Let me check if I have some. I guess I have here one. Just you are curious, but definitely it's not gonna work. Yeah, no. No work here, no work here either. So there is no sense. But if you are interested anyway, you can fit 2. 1, 2. You can fit, yeah, you can fit 2 and 2. But then you need to carry just a bit holder, either a Centrofix or the Wira or something that holds, for example, this one. You can carry like this, then you can use your Wihad blended bits. this or like this. So yep, well, it's an option if you want to carry the Ouija. Also fits 2 and 2, yeah, will be 8, and you need to carry just a bit holder. Could be this one or the Centrofix by Ouija that holds. Let me see if I have here my. Or also, you can carry maybe this one too, and you make it a ratchet. Oh, doesn't, why? Doesn't fit. Oh, that is weird. It's supposed to enter. But no. Oh, interesting. It doesn't enter. Okay. What about here? Oh, neither here. Oh, well, that is a new thing. This enters here very well, but here it doesn't fit. It's not enter. Yeah, I don't know. I was expecting it's a 1/4 inch, but because normal bits fits, no problem. But somehow this one not enter. Okay, well, now you know you cannot use it with this, but this one enters okay. So yeah, I'm curious why not why not enter. Yeah, well, we always learn something new. Okay, not enter, but you can carry this with the Ouija or just a normal one to use your Steinwell double-ended small bits titanium screwdriver by Fanawi PW01. Okay, hope so that gives some ideas for your EDC. Thanks guys, and see you next time.